Mastering polite requests. Keep the noise down. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful phrase, keep the noise down. Understanding this phrase is not just about knowing its literal meaning, but also about grasping the social and cultural context in which it's used. So, let's break it down together. The phrase, keep the noise down, is a polite request asking someone to reduce the volume of noise they are making. It's often used in various settings, such as in libraries, shared living spaces, or even late at night when people are trying to sleep. The key here is politeness. It's a gentle way of reminding others to be considerate of those around them. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in multiple scenarios. For instance, in a library, where silence is golden, and everyone is focusing. At home, if someone is studying, working, or sleeping, and loud noises could disturb them. In shared spaces, like hostels or apartments, especially during quiet hours. Remember, the goal is to express your request without coming across as rude or aggressive. Tone of voice plays a crucial role here. If someone asks you to keep the noise down, it's important to respond appropriately. A simple, sorry, I will be quieter, or, of course, my apologies for the disturbance, can go a long way in maintaining a harmonious environment. Acknowledging the request shows respect and understanding towards the needs of others. There are several ways to convey the same message without using the exact words, keep the noise down. You might hear, could you lower the volume, please? Would you mind being a bit quieter? Please, let's try to keep things quiet. Each of these phrases serves the same purpose but offers a different way to articulate the request, depending on the situation and your relationship with the person you're speaking to. Understanding and using the phrase, keep the noise down, is about more than just language. It's about fostering respect and consideration in shared environments. We hope this video helps you navigate social situations more smoothly and confidently. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, learning English opens up a world of opportunities. See you in our next video.